What happens when a train runs a red light? In this video, we're going to be learning about what happens. And then we got a red light. I'm pretty sure it's still a ways up. Let's just start it up anyways. As it travels down the track, it outruns more red lights, passing over New Hampshire Road Railroad crossing, and keeps on going down the tracks. Meanwhile, there's a Southern Pacific unit waiting for departure while the other train is parked. Let's move back to the crossing a bit just in case the train comes. 3702 is backing up at the crossing. He's backing up all the way behind. Meanwhile, the BNSF train sees the Southern Pacific and slams on his brakes. This is what happens when a train runs a red light. If there's another engine coming, you always have to stop at the red lights, or else this will happen like in this video. That's going to be the end of this Operation Lifesaver Part 1 video.